Isuzu D-Max 2025. The 2025 Isuzu D-Max presents itself as a rugged, no-nonsense pickup that blends workhorse capability with modern comfort and technology. At its heart, it retains the brand's long-standing reputation for durability, strong diesel engines, and serious utility. But now it steps up in style, tech and refinement, exterior and design from the outside. The 2025 D-Max shows off a more aggressive fascia, with a larger grille, sharper bi-LED headlamps, and updated tail light graphics. Candatractors.com. The proportions remain solidly truck-like. Overall length in dual cab form sits around 5,265 mm and width about 1,870 mm in markets like Pakistan. Pack wheels. A ground clearance of about 310 mm gives it commanding road and off-road presence. Bloom, Pakistan. The bed and load area retain practical proportions designed for real work usage and details like a damped tailgate. Air curtain design inserts and revised side steps hint at slightly more finesse than a bare-bones utilitarian vehicle. Candatractors.com. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 D-Max offers a choice of proven turbo diesel engines. A 1.9-liter Blue Power unit produces 150-164 HP and around 350-360 Nm of torque, emphasizing fuel efficiency and everyday driving use. Picado. For more demanding tasks, there's a 3.0-liter turbo diesel motor delivering up to 187-190 HP and around 450 Nm of torque, more than capable when the vehicle is towing or loaded. Peach Auto. The transmissions offered include 6-speed automatic and manual arrangements, depending on market and variant. The alternate narrative. On the road and off it proves capable. The chassis. 4x4 drive options. Rear differential locks, where fitted, and high clearance mean it's suited for rough terrain, heavy loads, or commercial use. Real-world fuel consumption in some markets is around 9 to 12 km/L depending on engine and driving conditions. Bloom, Pakistan. Interior and technology. Stepping into the cabin, you find a more refined space than you might expect in a work-orientated ute. The 2025 version features a new 9-inch touchscreen in higher trims, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual-zone climate control, reworked steering wheel and door trims, and some leather or high-grade cloth seating on premium variants. Candatractors.com. Storage is generous. The rear seats fold flat in many configurations, and USB-C ports and ambient lighting appear. In many markets, such as Pakistan, features like keyless entry, push start, rear AC vents, and 8-way electric adjustment on the driver's seat are now available in upper trims. Bloom, Pakistan's safety and driver assistance safety has not been neglected. The D-Max maintains strong credentials, with multiple airbags, electronic stability control, trailer sway control, hill descent and hill start assist being part of the offering. Gari PK. Some markets rate it highly in crash tests, reflecting its structural solidity. Car Explore. The blend of traditional rugged mechanicals with modern driver aid systems makes it both a practical tool and a more comfortable family-friendly vehicle. Utility. Towing and practicality utility is a core strength. With maximum towing capacities in many markets reaching a 3,500 kg braked and payloads around the 1,000 kg mark in some variants, this pickup is built for serious work as much as weekend adventures. Bloom, Pakistan. The bed dimensions and robust chassis mean that whether you're hauling equipment, towing trailers, or simply transporting family and cargo, the D-Max handles with confidence. The high ground clearance and rugged suspension mean less compromise when the tarmac runs out. Local market and value in Pakistan. The 2025 D-Max is available through Gandhara Industries in variants such as High Spark, Highlander and V-Cross, with pricing in the region of PKR 1.1, 1.3 crore depending on specification. Gari PK. Ownership costs are reasonable for what you're getting. Strong build quality, a reputation for durability, and a vehicle that retains commercial class credentials. There are trade-offs. Some critics mention that resale value may lag premium rivals, and top specs can command a significant premium. Bloom, Pakistan. Overall impressions, the 2025 Isuzu D-Max hits a strong balance between capability, refinement, and practicality. It's not just a stripped-out work truck. This is a modern pickup that delivers real off-road and load-carrying ability while offering comfort, tech, and safety suitable for everyday use. For buyers who need a vehicle that can do heavy-duty, long-haul, load-dropping, and weekend escape all in one, it's a very credible choice. If you prioritize luxury touches or high-speed performance more than rugged utility, you may find premium rivals offer more glam. But if durability, real-world capability, and a strong reputation matter, the 2025 D-Max is very much in the game.